Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, guys, today we are over at a place called Field of the Woods. It's a park that's just outside of Murphy, North Carolina, just off of Highway 294. It's about 20-25 minutes from our house. And Mama Essa actually suggested we come over here. She'd never been here. Truth is, Katie and I have lived here for a little bit more than a decade now, and we still haven't been here, but yet we've known it's been here the whole time. So we said, what the heck, let's go do it. All the way to the top. It's a long ways. The reason we're sharing this with you is because this is actually a pretty cool motorcycle destination if you're going to come to the Western North Carolina mountains and go for a ride. They do bike blessings here, and there's a lot of people that show up here with their Harley Davidsons and other motorcycles. Also, if you look up here in the hill, you'll see the 10 Commandments that are made in stone on the side of this ginormous grassy knoll. And apparently it is the largest set of 10 Commandments in the United States, maybe the world? I don't remember.
Possibly.
Mom looked it up. I don't remember if it's the United States or the world. But anyway, guys, it's something you guys might be interested in. You want to come out here. It's free to the public, but of course they do accept donations if you're in a giving mood. So come out, check it out, and until the next time we see you,
Keep those engines running.
All right, what she said.